Hey guys, it's Tabitha. Today I'm testing out this electric lunchbox, and I have to say it's such a cool little gadget if you love warm meals on the go. It comes with everything you need, four stainless steel containers, one of which has a division to keep your food or snacks separated, and each one has its own lid with an airtight seal. Plus, you get stainless steel utensils to reuse with each meal. There are two plug-in options, one for your car outlet and one for standard wall outlets, so it's perfect whether you're at home, work, or on the go. I filled the divided container with some leftovers, sealed it up, and plugged it in. It heats up fast in about 15 to 20 minutes, and you can see the steam release once it's ready. The food stays hot, fresh, and delicious, not dried out, and when you're done, everything packs neatly back into the insulated carry bag for easy grab and go. It's such a simple and convenient way to enjoy a warm, homemade meal wherever your day takes you.